In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. This is a fundamental task that helps ensure your financial records are up to date and accurate. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or someone who simply likes to manage finances efficiently, QuickBooks can make this process straightforward and hassle-free. Today, we'll walk through the steps necessary to record your credit card payments with confidence and ease. First, we're going to start by navigating to the New button, which you'll find at the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online screen. Clicking this button will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, you want to select Expense. This choice is crucial because recording your credit card payment as an expense will ensure that your financial records reflect this transaction accurately. Next, you'll see a form where you'll need to enter the details of the expense. It's important to make sure that you're thorough here. You'll see fields asking for information such as the vendor or payee and the date of the expense. Make sure these details reflect the transaction you're recording. But most importantly, you'll want to pay extra attention to selecting both the correct payment account and the payment method. For the payment account, this is where you indicate how the transaction was funded. In this case, you'll select your credit card from the list of accounts. As for the payment method, you'll confirm it's been through your credit card. Ensuring these are logged correctly is key to reflecting the transaction accurately in your books. Once you've entered all the necessary details and double-checked that everything is in order, you simply need to click Save and Close. This will ensure that your transaction is saved to your records and you'll be redirected back to your main dashboard. And just like that, you have successfully recorded your credit card payment in QuickBooks. With these steps, you should now see your credit card payment recorded in QuickBooks, seamlessly integrating this transaction into your financial records. It really is that simple. Keeping your records organized allows you to focus more on your business and less on the paperwork, giving you peace of mind and time to grow and manage other areas of your business. And there you have it. You've learned how to record credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. Remember, regular updates to your financial records can help you maintain an accurate picture of your business's financial health. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. I hope this guide has made the task easier and clearer for you. Feel free to revisit any part of this video if you need to go over the steps again, and happy bookkeeping!